Hi everyone, welcome to our spring term of ED 684. We are online fully, but the class was already scheduled to be online, so there aren't any changes. I've done a lot of online teaching, and many of you have taken online courses before, so no big change here. If you are like me, we are all experiencing a little bit of stress on a daily basis, and I just wanted to reach out and let you know that I completely understand that, and I ask for flexibility, and I will give you flexibility as we move on throughout the term, because we're all kind of caught in a very boring episode of The Walking Dead. But hopefully if you concentrate on keeping yourself healthy, both mentally and physically, we will get through this. Okay? So, and it's a great opportunity to learn a little bit more about language. Great segue, Dr. Schultz. In this course, we are going to be learning a little bit more about, or we're going to be building our knowledge of language. So for those folks who have taken linguistics courses, I know Western has a lot of linguistics courses at the undergrad level. If you've taken linguistics courses before, some of the topics will be very familiar to you, but what we're going to do in this course is connect them to what it means to learn, to language acquisition, okay? And while the course does discuss a bit of the practical nature of putting language acquisition and ed linguistics into practice in a classroom, and I really try to address that. Out of all our ESL courses, our ed linguistics language acquisition course, this course is probably the most theoretical. So kind of just go with that, because it's very important for us as teachers to develop our knowledge of language. Okay, so that's really what we're going to be doing. Basically, we have a module a week with a different topic. We'll be looking at a second language acquisition or additional language acquisition. We'll be looking at aspects of linguistics like morphology, syntax, phonology, etc. We have two culminating activities in this course, or two culminating assessments of big ticket items, and that will be analysis of a text and a professional discourse journal. Okay, each module will be due on Monday evenings. Okay, there's a module a week. They're typically focused on content and application. If you've taken a course with me before, there should be no surprises. The first part will be on content, of course, which is really we're getting to the meat of the terminology and the professional terms and the substance of what's going on as driven by the readings and my own brilliant lectures. Okay, and then the application is just what it sounds like. I'm trying to you'll be given an opportunity to apply what you're learning to real life practice. We'll have some discussions too. This is a fairly small class. It's a grad class, so there's an opportunity to do some questions, posing some authentic questions and engaging in a discussion about that. The authentic question assignment is already posted, so you'll be able to kind of see what the guidelines are for that. But I'm not forgetting. As soon as I hit pause, I'll remember that. But I know like I said at the beginning of this video, I know there are particular challenges this term. We can't really get connected with students or schools or anything else. Maybe things will change fast, or maybe they won't. But I imagine that this term is a wash in terms of getting connected with actual students, unless you have one in your house. Okay, so what else can I tell you except that I really am excited to work with you, and someone who's always busy like I am, and I know you are. this will be a welcome moment in my week to be able to be with you. Okay. If you haven't taken a course with me before, just know that unlike other courses that maybe are designed face-to-face and are now going online, we are not going to meet at a particular time during the week virtually, anything like that. No. I'll usually communicate with you through the module and video on the module. If you have any trouble with technology, everything, just communicate, communicate, and communicate. I'm here to help you. Okay? All right, so thanks so much, and I look forward to our term.